morning, everybody. All right. 360.50. We got a little Facebook out. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is also the daily. Okay. Mern is starting a new trial of vaccines. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. All right. As you can see, I have a lot of little markers out there. Nothing is really striking our fancy at the moment. But we've noticed the last few mornings in NVAX, in Myrna, in UPST, as we get these giant pullbacks in the morning. Yeah, give Facebook a buck with a small amount of shares. That's fine. We get these giant pullbacks in the morning, and all these Myrnas, NVAX, UPSTs, they find their level and basically spend the rest of the day going up. So we got a bid in Myrna down on our pivot point, which is 349.50. So I put a little order in Myrna at 350, a little marker. We'll try to get a far from moving. Actually, we're going to make it a real order in Myrna at 349.50. I mean, we're talking down $8 from here. Give it $2. We're going to do it small. And if it holds that level, we can get the nice far from moving average trade. 349.50 Myrna. Laka laka. SAVA. Yes, SAVA's on the radar. As always, we donk stock. SAVA, I got a little something at 107 just to wake us up. We got something at 106.54. Coin 250, 251. I like it. JKS. Yeah, it's there already. All right, Sal. Do you want to start a little coin at 250? Don't I have that out there? I have 248. Let's put a little marker at 250. Watch sales. We can talk about that later on. Again, Myrna, we're not buying at 250. It's a marker. We'll see what happens. Well, you know, if these patterns hold, what we've seen is the big rip down. All these stocks off the opening. And then they find their levels and kind of rally from there. So let's see if we get the same pattern again today. Ford, not something we're going to trade, you know, on a daily basis, crypto. VRPX. Whoa, holy VRPX. The hell is that? Drug stock. Drug stock. Well, I'll tell you this much. Don't short it. That would be halted already if the market was open. So that could halt right off the opening. It's something we can watch after it opens. Yeah, I just saw it. SQ is a weekly level at 254 and change. Again, we're already bouncing in most of these stocks. So let's see what happens. Be patient this morning. Yes, UPST is on our radar. I got a bid down in that one at 183. Again, 183.50 is our pivot point. We're going to make that a real order in UPST. No, we ain't going to get there. NVAX, guys, NVAX. All right, we spiked down to 214 in NVAX. Let's see what the next move is. Again, we didn't have time to do anything. Now, NVAX, guys, the little bit we bought, just try to take $1 if we get it. Again, we didn't have time. Just sold NVAX for a $2 profit off the pivot point. So that's what we got to do, guys. When we have levels and we have pivot points, we got to trade them. Stock hit our pivot point and went straight up $3. Right? So we got to trust our levels. That's the bottom line. All right, good. That's okay. Neo. I mean, give me levels in Neo. It's only down 30 cents. I don't see it. I told you VPRX would halt on the opening. Did I not say that? All right, it's something we can keep our eyes on. SAVA. Let's look. All right. Same thing with SAVA, guys. Okay. I'm putting a real order in at 106.80. That's our level. We'll have a stop. Probably not going to get there, but 106.80. Someone told me to cancel Facebook, so I canceled it. We'll take another look. Yeah, I still like it. We're not going to get there, though. I still like it. Yeah, I mean, this is what UPST does, right? Look at this thing. It's went up $9, UPST. So the pattern is alive and kicking. The problem is it never got to our level. So maybe 198.60 for a little short in UPST. But you know this thing is wackadoodle. This is what the hell this thing does. It's insane. Right? 10 shares there. At 198.60, I'm giving it $2. This thing is wackadoodle. And it's got a dollar stop. Sick. It's going to try to cover it at 198. Out of SAVA. Out of UPST. Got $2. Oh, I missed it. Of course I missed it. Nope, should have got $2. Out of UPST. All right, we'll see what happens. Walmart. The train, it won't stop going. No, it won't. So everyone should have got in and out of the UPST. We're going to look far from moving average in UPST soon. Out of NVAX 5 times my daily. What the hell happened in NVAX? Oh, wow. Yeah, NVAX will be coming up for a short, too. Got out of the short in UPST. Wow, NVAX is sick. All right, I'm just canceling all this, guys. We'll take another look. Give me a minute. Moderna. Moderna, 371 and change, right? That was the short. What did I tell you guys? What did these things do? They open down and they rip. Holy TMO. Don't mess with TMO, guys. Too expensive. VRPX. Let's look. I mean, VRPX is one of these that could hold 7 times on the way up. Not for me. Let's wait. NVAX was beautiful. NVAX, Myrna, they all did the same things. But look at NVAX off of our pivot, guys. At 214, it went up $10. AMC. All right. Yeah, we got a short in AMC at 36.90. Oh, we're talking about regular stocks. I like that. 36.90 short AMC for a trade. I will do 200 shares up there. That'll be really stretched out for a trade. It's good. Myrna, try 374.08. All right, you in it, Sal? Okay. I was in a little Myrna at 374.08. Getting a little stretched. I like 376 to start very small, guys. 5 shares. Oh, crap. I did 50 shares. Oh, that is not what I meant to do. I'm stuck. Gosh darn it. Did not mean to do that. I did not mean to do that, guys. I wanted to do 5 shares. Oh, you got to be kidding me. Well, guess I'm going to have to hope for a pullback in this. Damn. Don't hit the wrong buttons, guys. Give me 1 second. Get out of this mess. All right, moving on. I'll leave it. What am I going to do? Oh, you stink, David. 5 shares I tried to do. Roku. Yeah, Roku rip. I just got smashed shorting Myrna. Well, I only wanted to do 5 shares of Myrna. You should not have a position in Myrna. I only wanted to do 5 shares. I just got caught in it. I did 50 and I was done. Nobody should have got smashed because you shouldn't have had a position. So there should have been no smash. No smash, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just giving it a minute here. Holy Roku, guys. Far from moving average Roku. Guys, let's look far from moving average in Roku. Off of moving average Roku. Plugged. What are we doing in plugged? Wow. All right, guys, you know, you got to just, when you make a mistake, just get out of the trade. Let's see what happens in the next minute or two. Trying to get 382 and 381, but I don't think I'm going to get that. AMC, let's look. AMC. AMC almost got to our level, but pulled back. Maybe we get a far from moving average in Myrna here, guys. Nah, it's getting close. Getting close. All right, I'm getting out of this thing. Go to the 1 minute. See if you get a red bar in Myrna now. I would try a little bit. Just got it at like 385. Start taking some in if you get $1 on it. How do you input your stops? You should always have a stop order put in before you get into a trade. Like the second you get into a trade. That was the fall for moving average trade, guys. I'll cover some at 383. Sally, what are you doing here? That was the trade. Gave it to you for a couple of minutes for a $2 trade. Taking $2 on NVAX short. Hold on. Ooh, 231 and change. Very nice. NVAX. Very nice. Nice job, Alex. Very nice. Trying to get out of this Myrna. Start over. Yeah. All right. Anyone get the Myrna short, guys? That was beautiful. Beautiful. Why'd you lose my screen? It's up here. Screen is here. Really? Hold on. Give me a second. Why isn't my screen up? Give me 1 second, guys. Screen share, screen share, screen share. There it is, guys. You should have it now. So my 50 shares cost me $400 in Myrna. SQ. SQ blew through everything. Blew through everything. These things are all buys, guys. Buy. Buy. Which one, guys? Myrna. So what are you doing in Myrna? I don't know. You got 380 and 376 in Myrna if we do pull back. Trying to get 382 and 380 just to minimize. You added, what's your average? Hood. Let's look at Hood. Hood and SQ. So what's your average? That's what I'm asking you. $379.50. All right. I'm about to get out of it if it goes above 385 because I think it's going higher. Just start over. SoFi. Coin looks like 10 trade. Good. Yeah, Oliver, we can talk about that. We'll get you straightened out. Wow, plug is getting a little. It's only 50 cents in plug, guys. It's only 50 cents in plug. For so long. Don't do plug. You got $3 in Myrna. Very nice. Very nice. Roku, let's look. What do we got, guys? Roku 365 could be a little spot in Roku. 365. Yes, let's keep our eyes on it. You and me been finding each other. NVAX coming to a short. Let's look. It just blew through at NVAX. These things are all going higher, guys. Maybe 235.50. Got AMC at my number. Good. Excellent. Yes, NVAC works the first time. It's not going to work the second time, guys. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. What the hell, man? My screen shares keeps going out. Got it. Coin at 257. All right. I like it. I do. I'm getting out of Myrna. This was a bad idea. My 50 shares. All right, let's get to work. Myrna 389.90 was the perfect spot to size up. Yes, for a trade. Nice. No, Robinhood, you can only have a certain amount of trades per day. That's it. Missed Roku by 30 cents. All right. Keep your eyes on Roku. Had you short at 390 in Myrna. Why am I trading with peanuts, easy money? Well, I had an error that cost me $400, but I'm just usually a guide for all of my traders. I have people in my room that trade 10 shares. I have people in my room that trade 2,000 shares every time we do a trade. Made some banana skins on Roku. Very nice. So a lesson to be learned, guys. When you have an error in something, just get out of the error. I broke my rules and tried trading around it. Don't do it. So 378 would be the first spot to buy Myrna. I just think it broke the 1 minute there. Actually, 382 would be the 1 minute in Myrna. It's hanging on the 1 minute right now. So if it stays above 384, it's going higher. Yeah, it's hanging on the 1 minute right now. Interactive brokers, I suggest. That's what I use to trade. I love it. Commissions are very reasonable. Perch, PRCH. Let's look. Guys, nobody should ever had a position in that Myrna. Okay? So I screwed up. I broke my own rules and tried to trade out of a 50-share position, which only should have been 5. Perch? I don't know. I don't see anything in Perch here. I got nothing. Need Myrna to break. Let's call it 383 on the downside to start going down a little bit. Walmart short right now. Let's go. Home Depot. Home Depot is a better short than buy, but I don't see a setup right now. Sharon in Home Depot. It's kind of just sitting here. What's Sal up to? I have no idea. I think his average is 379, something like that. But he'll hold on forever. You know Solomon. Everything's kind of sitting right in the middle of everything. Good morning, Arthur. XPEV, let's look. XPEV set up for a nice trend trade. I like SPEV on a trend. 37.33 is good. Looks like a better buy than sell. I like it. Coin 275. 275. Oh, 257. Yeah, I like coin 257. Started a little uptrend. Yes, it's good. AMC dog pull going to $5,000 a share. Oh, thank you, Sunez. I think we should jump all over AMC, guys. It's going to $5,000 a share. Yes, UPST went up $20 from our spot yesterday. Yes, yes, yes. I mean, I like AMC now, short term. We just got over a big daily level, right? Which we talked about this morning. This 37 and change. So, you know, if we can clear this 37 and change, I think we could see 40. All right, Myrna's starting to come in for you guys here a little bit. 378.40 would be a spot where you guys can clear it out, break even on it, whatever. Holy VRPX and PayPal. VRPX is a little one if you like. You buy some, you hold on, you see what the next move is. That could be up for a couple of days in a row, right? So, PayPal. Give me levels in PayPal, guys. 271. I like that in PayPal, right? Pivot point with a stop. Yes, guys. Yes, I like it. PayPal 271. It's a big level in AMC. PayPal $271 stop. Good. I like it. I like it. I like it. I like it. I'm holding AMC till AMC still 10,000. NVAX, maybe 224. Maybe. They're all starting to come in now. Here comes Myrna. Again, you know, could have held on to the Myrna for longer, but what else? You take your lumps when you make a mistake. That's it. NVAX VWAP. Let's look. Maybe we like it, Karen. Let's see. I mean, 224.30. It just missed by 13 cents and went up $1.50. So that was the spot, guys. Maybe these things are setting up for uptrends for the rest of the day now, but that just missed that and went up $2.50. Wow. All right, PayPal. Come on. PayPal just went up. Looked like it was going down. Yep. Yeah, right. Cancel it. It's taking forever. So I don't like NVAX the second time down there, but it did give a $2 trade-off there. If it goes back down there below again, we don't like it. VPRX. What is this thing? Yeah, again, you like that one, you just buy it. Soxel? PayPal is far from moving average now. Kind of. But again, 271 is the spot in PayPal. 271 is the spot. Market's coming in here, guys and girls. Yeah, a little bit. But look at the VIXI. It don't go up. You know? VIXI does not go up. Yeah, we're coming in pretty good now. Guys, if you get Myrna anywhere near your break even, just get out. You know, certainly cover half of your stock. Who's in Myrna with Solly? Anyone else? Average price, Teresa. Coin's breaking down. So let's see if Myrna can break these levels here. PayPal. Give me your average prices, guys. I mean, PayPal is getting far from moving average down here. Right? Almost got the RSI. So let's do it small at 271. This has a great spread. Nice job in Myrna. Okay, so we're doing PayPal small at 271, and then we'll look far from moving average. All right? Because we almost have the RSI. 379.65. All right. Myrna 382 short. Okay. Well, guys, if you're at this at 382, I would have just covered some. All right. If this thing is still strong. It's not really, I'm not saying it can't pop down later, but it's still very strong. Very, very strong. So let's go. Definitely, if you're in at 382, buy some at 381. Take $1 profit. See what the next move is. All right. PayPal bouncing. I know. I see it, Kurt. Now, again, we got the 271.20, so I don't even know if we like 271 anymore now. Let's see what the next move is. All right, good. Start covering a little Myrna. For those of you who are short at 382. Teresa, if it gets to 379.50, start covering some, wherever your average is. The 379 is the VWAP. Why isn't it letting Myrna come up here now? Okay. Oh, you only have 10 shares. All right, still, it doesn't matter how many shares you have. Doesn't make a difference. But if you were going to stay with it, you definitely should have been adding up there. I don't know, guys. PayPal too slow now. And it came close. Let's give it one more minute. We're not going to do it anyway. We'll just look for the far from moving average trade if we get there. How do you know if the market is going to turn to red? Actually, look terrible, it turned green. You don't know. I mean, you know, you guys got to watch the spiders. The spiders is going to tell us what the market's going to do. So keep your eyes on the SPY. That's everything. If the spiders start to go up, the market's going to turn. Keeps going down, it's going to go down. So that's what you have to watch. And you see how Myrna turned there, guys? That's why I wanted you guys to get out. Did everyone who was short at 382 get out? Because that was the right thing to do. You made a couple of bucks on it. I don't even know what my average was. Probably like 383 or so. All right, we got a little PayPal. Let's see what we do from here. Yep. We actually want it to keep going down. Yeah. Well, we're going to do it like a regular trade, guys. Take 30 cents on some. Sold half. And take 50 cents on the balance. That's it. Let's see if we can get 50 cents on PayPal. Sold a little at 40. Break even stop now. And we're out at 50. There we go. Boom. All right. 50 cents in PayPal. Well, we got 35 cents in PayPal. Average. Therese, you got out 379.50. Ooh, it just spiked down there. Nice. Good girl. All right. PayPal was a really good trade, guys. All right. Everybody get a little PayPal down there? That was the bottom. Wow, just went up 70 cents. Nice. All right, Therese, great cover in Myrna. Look at that. Just went up $4. So what did I tell you? If you get back to break even, get the hell out. Yes. Isn't it amazing how PayPal took forever to get there and just gave $1 trade off that level? Wow. That's sick. Starbucks and Neo, let me look. Sick. Everybody loses concentration every once in a while, guys. That's what trading is. It's not just black and white, right? Even the great and powerful Oz, David Green, effed up today. It happens. Got to be honest. Holy PayPal. Are you kidding me? Holy mackerel. It went up $1.10. Well, that makes up for any losing trades you had. There was your far from moving average trade. About 271.20 for $1. Yes. Well, anyone who doesn't screw up every once in a while isn't human. And I broke my rules, and that's what happens when you break the rules. PayPal was just a spectacular trade. All right, a lot of people got PayPal. Good. Anyone in Benzinga get a little PayPal at 271 for a little trade ski? Very nice. Trailing 25 cents on PayPal. All right. I don't know if you're going to get more than $1 here, guys. So, yeah, I would take the $1. Look at Myrna, guys. That's why I begged you guys to cover it. Okay? Look at that. James, did you post that before you got in? Because I didn't see it. Nice job, Alex. I got my order filled at 71 and was able to sell at 272.05. Nice, guys. Got you, James. Yeah, who posted the SQ? That was a great trade. Look at that short, guys, in SQ at 264. Alex, you posted it. No, he said it wasn't him. Someone posted it, and it worked for $6. Oh, it was Ken. Ken, did you get it? Nice. Great job. I know we looked at it early. Nothing in Myrna now. NVAX. Yeah, I mean, NVAX hit the trend almost, right? Down at 225. It's up $5. Insane. I'm glad to see that the people who are visiting in Benzinga, who aren't part of the room or anything, are picking up some of the trading techniques. I'm noticing that more and more as the days go on with you guys. That's great. Diane made my goal today. Actually, I'm over it, so I'm out. Thanks again, David. Good job. Good job. Excellente. Yeah, all these things just ripped right back up. Yeah, I mean, PayPal was $1, guys. Take it and run. That's all. That was it. Coin double bottom. One thing I will never do, nor should anybody else, right? Listen, I turned a 50-share error into a $400 loss. I am not going to do anything stupid to try and get that money back. There's no revenge trading. It is what it is. It is what it is. The techniques are so simple to compare to Sterling. Yeah, I mean, it is. That's the bottom line. It's not. It takes time, but it ain't very difficult. It's really not. It just takes time. I tell people who start now 3 to 6 months. That's the learning curve in doing this. And I'm not lying. I don't think I'd short Pfizer here. It looks like a better buy. SE, Boeing. SE, let's look. Pfizer. Yeah, Pfizer's a trend trade. Do not short Pfizer. SE is a trend trade setting up. Yes. Would I short Boeing? Let's look. 1 sec, MJ. I'll give it to you. Well, look how Boeing bounced off our pivot point for a winner. I think it just missed it, but look at that. Up $1.20 in Boeing off the pivot point. Is that crazy? Wow. Look at the pivot point. We use a 9, a 15, a 65, and a 200 exponential moving average. 9, 15, 65, and 200. Boeing, I would short, guys, at 224.80 on the trend. Pivot points have been pretty damn good today. 9, 15, 65, and 200. Boeing's the only stock you can't trade. Do you work for him or something, Anthony? Double top in Myrna. I don't think it's been 30 minutes for a double top in Myrna. But, again, you can try it if you want. 5, 10, 15, 20, 20. It's been 30 minutes. It's been 30 minutes if you want to try it. Exponential. All right, where is everybody sitting in my trading room for the day? Talk to me, gooses, and be honest. Teresa flat, green, 2.5 time goals, slight negative, good, small green, little green, green, 75% of my goal, little flat, green, little red, green, feet up on my desk and relishing the fact that I found this room. Why don't you guys stop me from breaking the rules today? What the hell's wrong with you people? David, you made an error. Get out of the trade. Little green. Good. Yeah, but I had plenty of time to get out of it and lose $100 or $150. Walmart making new highs. Yeah, it's set up for a nice trend trade. Walmart, nothing to do. Some people just aren't coachable. Yeah, I'm with you. Double green like yesterday. Good. Do some down. You can see my P&L right here, guys. It's for everyone to see. I'm down $419 in Myrna. I meant to sell 5 shares. I sold 50 shares. And then I didn't get out of my trade right away, and it turned into $400. I'm not worried about getting it back. Oh, look, you got to get used to why are your screens blurry? They shouldn't be. How's my screens for everybody in Benzinga? Might be on your end. I think my screens are nice and clear. Where are we going in SAVA? Oh, you got a double bottom in SAVA at 109. It's a YouTube issue, okay. Spread the loss over 3 weeks by small rankings that they're flattening out. Not only taking a revenge trade. We are not revenge trading. That ain't happening here. So do we like double bottom in SAVA, guys? You know SAVA is not my favorite stock in the world to trade, but that'll be down $7. We're trying it. It fits our technique, so we're doing it. 109. We'll go 109.05. In SAVA. Boom, chaka, laka, laka. We'll give it like 75 cents to $1. Now, sometimes it's YouTube that makes things fuzzy. So you know we should just be buying SAVA with a market order right now, right? We're never going to see that, and it's going to go straight up from here, like every other time we put an order in. Look at that. As soon as we put the order in SAVA, it went straight up. All right, we tried. What are you going to do? So if something doesn't line up for us, guys and girls, we're just going to cancel it. I mean, the second we put the order out, the stock went up $1.50. PayPal sells short. That means it's still going up. Yes, PayPal's are short on the trend if we get there. Myrna, we actually have a level. 394 on the 30-minute. Yeah, look at that, guys. Now you're talking, Sally. 394.30, Myrna. Now you're talking. I made $158.42 in 3 seconds based on the green room inverse effect. Ah, I know what you're talking about, Kurt. As soon as we posted a buy, you just jumped in and bought it. It's not going to work all the time. Be careful. 394, we start a little Myrna, and then we'll look far from moving average up there. That's funny. That is funny. So as soon as usually a lot of times, guys, when we post an order, the stock will just react immediately. So as soon as we put that order in, SAVA went up $1. Whack. Bottom line is Myrna's a buy on a pullback. NVAX, I don't know what that's doing. It's sitting in the middle of everything. Buy it, swing it. I hear you, Bruin. Myrna. Yeah, I almost got to it. Did it do a double top? Myrna missed a double top by 9 cents, guys, and went down $3. 390, 389.91, and went down 3 banana skins. Wow. Not enough time, I know. PayPal. All right, we broke that level. Let's see what we got. First of all, let's go look for other levels first in PayPal. 264. So we're switching. 265 is a big spot in PayPal. That's all we got, really. But, you know, I say around 268. It's probably far from moving average, if I had to guess. Around 268. All right, I'm not looking at my error anymore. I can't take the pain. I can't take the pain. Let's put a marker in PayPal at 268. That's the marker. In Boeing. Where are we in Boeing, guys? Where would I short Walmart? Let me look. In Boeing. Oh, you're short Boeing. Short Boeing at 224.75. Okay. That's the trend. So give it like 50 cents. I like it. It didn't make the pivot point, but it's on the trend. So this is a trend trade, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Stock exactly hit our pivot on the buy. Now it's in a downtrend. So the short was right there at 224.80. And we'll see if it holds this trend and turns down from here. Now you have a stop like 50 cents above. And see what the next move is. 225.80 is the pivot point for a short. And definitely 226.87. Both short spots. Marriott, 31.80. If it went fast, I would have liked that, Kenny. But it kind of just flopped out here a little bit. Myrna new high. Myrna, Berna, Bo Berna, Banana, Fana, Foferna. Bottom line, guys, is Myrna is a buy. We just need a pullback. But we do have a level at 394, which would be a far from moving average trade to start. So again, very small there. And then we'll look far from moving average. We are not going to have position at 394, guys. It's a marker. Everybody understand that? Roblex trend trade. Yeah, Roblex is a little messy, but it is a better buy than sell. Yes. Baba. Baba's a better short than buy. If it gets to those levels, Amir, yes. Wish. Well, it is moving a little bit, but this is another stock that a lot of people got caught in and absolutely crushed. Not for us. My guess is anyone who's posting Wish is stuck in the stock at higher levels. That would be my guess. You guys tell me if I'm wrong. Yeah, Home Depot. Look, it hit the trend there, Terry. So see what the next move is, but it definitely hit the trend. Without a doubt. So long. You and me been finding each other for so. All right, Boeing, you're getting a little turn off the trend, right? Lost 4,000 in Wish. Lesson learned. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anyone who's mentioning Wish probably wishes they weren't in Wish. That was one of those stocks. What stock Nestor. SLGG. Let's take a look. Another one, ML. If you like SLGG, it's something you buy and put away. Not something that we're going to trade. We try to concentrate on day trading here. So those little ones, I'm not poo-pooing them, if that's your thing. But you buy them and you put them away if you like them. PayPal bounced a little. I mean, look, PayPal gave us a trade for $1. That was it. Well, have stops now, Theater, if you down to break even in all these things. We've already lost volume in the market, guys and girls. So, ooh, Myrna. We just missed that 394 in Myrna. Again, guys, no position. I don't think this is really stretched until we get to like 395. That's usually when this thing gets $10 away from the moving average is when it's ready. So that would be like 395. So above 395, we can start looking. And again, we don't have a position. We're going to start looking now with $10 above the moving average. So let's see if we get a little red bar, and then we can add a little bit. Not yet. Oh, now you're moving to 400, Sally? You just said to get into trade. You can't change your mind like that. Now you're moving to 400. Come on, really? You're kidding, right? Yeah, but you already posted that, so that ship has sailed. Again, we don't have a position, guys. I'm looking for a fall from moving average trade to add like 20 shares. That's it. I'm not adding stock up here. Not doing anything. It's out. Forget about it. I'm looking for a little red bar. Not doing anything yet. We're not going to trade Wish. Still didn't really get the red bar in Myrna. Now, just got it a little. All right, I tried it very small here. 397.20. Just going to have like $1 stop. Starting to cover some at 396. Why won't this take my order? Covered a little at 396. So now, if it gets back to like 398, we just get out. We made $1 on some. Try to cover some at 395.50 if we get there. $395.50 and 397 stop now. That's it. We tried. Because if it goes sideways here again, it's going higher. right, should be out. 397, guys. Out at 397. Out, 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 out. Now we'll look at Sally's number, maybe 400. There's not much of a pullback in this thing yet. SAVA. Let's look at SAVA. No, I'm not doing anything in Myrna. Sorry. We are waiting now. We tried a far-from moving average trade. We got a tiny little trade out of it. That was it. It's not ready to go down yet. 409, I could see this thing going to. So it's not ready to go down yet. 409 is the next spot. Yeah. Again, we never had a position. We tried the far-from moving average trade. We got like $1 out of it, and that was it. 409 is the next spot. SAVA. I don't like SAVA. Well, NVAX should do the same thing as Myrna now, right? Yes. Thanks, you all made my day. Excellent. Excellent. NVAX is a better buy here, guys. Look what Myrna's doing. Hitting singles all day over to moving the line. Dig it. Good, JJ. One toke over the line, sweet Jesus. One toke over the line. I don't appreciate. Better buy, Jeremy. Better buy. Nobody should have a position in Myrna, guys. Yeah, 409 is a real spot. 409.89. But again, the stock is just a better buy. You know, keep shorting it to try to make $1 here and there. We need a pullback so we can get long. That's the bottom line. You long a little NVAX, Jeremy? All right, it's trying. It's trying. It's trying. Get above that 235, you can really get a nice breakout. Cancel that PayPal. That ain't happening. It's true. I mean, it's, well, you know, it gave the far from moving average trade, but I don't think we got more than $1 out of it. Right? We could have got 397 and it went to 396. It was $1, which is what we covered for $1. But the stock's going higher. It's that simple. SAVA. SAVA's not really in play today, guys and girls. It's not really moving. It's kind of just sitting where it was. SQ. Again, nice bounce off that pivot point. Maybe a double top in SQ. Kind of like that. UPST. I hate it. Look at UPST. See how you like it. I don't like it. 209 UPST is a short with a stop. That is up $10 from where we are right now. I like it. I like it. I like it. Is Myrna a base? No way. I mean, it's going to be too wide to be a base. It just looks like it wants to go higher. Again, 409.90 is the next spot. I will look at Myrna. Yes, BNTX trades exactly like Myrna. Dimben. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Donkey Kong, Bingo, Roblex. Roblex. Yeah, Roblex just broke out of everything to the upside. It's a better buy than sell. I don't know if I'd run in and buy it now, but it's definitely a better buy than sell. It's got a lot of room to the upside, Roblex. Donkey Kong. Same thing. Donkey Kong just broke out of a little downtrend. Maybe you got a little short at 51.80. That looks all right. Sono was hot yesterday. I don't see much in Sono. It hasn't even had a dollar range today. RSI on Myrna. Yeah, but it's been this high all day. Right? Basically. Again, 10 points away is 400. That's 10 points away from the moving average. So, we'll start looking for a far from moving average. We're doing one share. It works for $1 or $1.50 if we're really fast in it. If you're not comfortable being fast in it, don't even do it. You know what I'm saying? Just wait. Wait and go slow. UPST, docs. UPST, almost got to the $1.90. All right, if you did a little Myrna there, guys, take $1.50. 398.50. I missed already, but see if it gets there. It did go straight down $1.50. See, that's what I'm talking about. Myrna got to 400. It went to 398.50. That was it. That was your trade. You got $1.50 on it. All right. That was it. If you were fast. Coin short at 258. Maybe a double topping coin. These things are so freaking strong, right? It's crazy. Myrna, you had to do for 2 seconds for $1.50. That was it. Oh, maybe if we get to 402, we'll start looking far from moving average again. But again, guys, we're fighting all this to make $1 or $1.50, and we just want to be long the effing thing. That's the bottom line, right? Roku just hit the pivot point. Yeah, Roku gave you a little short. Again, same thing though, right? Roku got to that level and gave you $1 if you were very fast. Right? Same exact thing. I'm using the 1 minute to get long Myrna and MVEX. Good. Keep doing it as long as it works. Keep doing it as long as it works. And keep it small though, Joe. So talking about using the 1 minute trend trade to get in on the long side of these things. And if you look at Myrna on the 1 minute, it's around 398.50 now. And you can see all day, guys, this has held the 1 minute trend, right? Look at that. All day. This has not broken the 1 minute trend line. So this is the only time I recommend using it. It's when a stock is this strong. So you got 398.50 and 396. 2 spots. And as long as it keeps working, you keep doing it. What does that mean, Sal? You don't want to buy it up $27? Thank you. Appreciate it. Con boom or coin boom? Ooh, coin. Did it get there? It was very close. I don't know if it got there. Yeah, I don't know if it got there. One toke over the line. Roku just missed a 9. Yep. All right. Beaky. B-E-K-E. Beaky looks like a nice long. Again, I wouldn't run in and buy it up here, but it looks nice. I mean, it's in a horrible downtrend on the daily, Beaky, but it is bouncing a little bit. Looks a little better. Did Myrna hit the 1 minute on the buy side? Let's look. No, 397 is the level. Again, I don't know how much I trust that with the stock up this high, but again, it's worked all day. So 397.02 is the spot. Little stretch though. Be careful buying on a 1 minute now. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I can't do it, Alex. I don't trust it. Not when it's up this high. I can't do it. Can't do it. Although you can't argue with this working all day long, Alex. Right? You cannot argue with that. Yep. Well, listen. Has it not worked all day, Matan? Every single time? We can only go by as much of the day as we've gone through so far. I can't get ahead of myself. Wish I could short UPST. Why? Why? 209 is a short in UPST. Is this getting into swing territory again, or has that been negated? I mean, we'd have to get above 215, 217 today to look at a swing-a-dinger in that. That's what they said on the Titanic. So far, so good. All right, we're going to short a little UPST at 209 with a stop. 209.10. That's our pivot point. That's what we're doing. 209.10 UPST is good. It's good. AMD waking up. Yeah, look at that. Little bounce in AMD. Well, it wasn't a short. It hadn't moved enough to get there. I don't even like the short at 108.15. Yes, AMC's been good. AMC has been good. Let's look at AMC options. I mean, we're getting above a big level here. Right? Yeah, they're expensive. See how jacked up these are now in AMC to 40 calls? They're $1.35. Probably good for a trade, though. We just got above a very big level in AMC. Let's go to the daily. I'll show you what I mean. I could see 40 by the end of this week in AMC. See that? Ripped above the daily. Just getting above the weekly. So, you know what? If we get a chance to buy a little AMC on a pullback, let's buy it. So what do we got? We got 37.16 and 36.80 small. Kind of like it now. 37.18. And 36.90. If we get this and it holds these levels, it's probably worth a swinger for a day or two. Because I think we could see 40. Neo. Neo's sitting right in the middle of everything. SC, $1.30 off the double top. Very nice. Terry and the pivot. Look at that. What was it? 313 and change. Excellent, Terry. Very nice. Good post, baby. Good post. Yeah, I don't think AMD is a short, guys. It looks like a better buy on a pullback now. So AMD, we want to buy on a pullback down to 107. 107, 106.50. It is not a shortsky-wartsky. Not a shortsky-wartsky. At all. Like the UPST. Let's see if we can get up there. No more Myrna on the 1 minute. It's not working. Or, well, I don't think it's not working. It broke it here by $1.20, so I don't know. I agree. I would wait now. VRPX, let's take a look. KR, Kroger's. Stay away. No meat on that bone. Sono. Yep, Sono looks like a little better buy than sell here. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Sitting in the middle of everything, though. VRPX. Again, to me now, guys and girls, VRPX is if something you believe this stock is going to be okay, you buy a little, you put it away. I don't think it's going to trade much. SE RIP. Yeah, again, SE is just a buy. Walmart. Again, this whole thing is not that big a move in Walmart. It's not even $1, so I would wait. Maybe 150.50 Walmart I like. Yeah, you got 150.93 and 150.50. 150.50, you're down $2. I think we get a bounce off that. AMD shorting at pivot points. What pivot point? 110.43. I am all over that, Alex. It's not going to happen. Cancel UPST. We're going in the other way. Again, AMC is just a better buy. But yeah, I will be aggressively short if we spike up to 110.43, 100%. Still up $22 on my last 5 shares of NVAX. That's nice from 214. Yeah, we're not looking to short AMD. Apple long above 150, 150. Apple's have become almost untradeable during the day. Kind of just does its thing, and it's not really tradable unless some news comes out or something. BBY, again, looks like a better short to me than long. BBY. 110.80 could be the first spot to maybe take a look, but it's in a downtrend. Downtrend means it's a better sell than buy if it rallies up to a level. AMD, us up, damn, why am I messing with this crapple? Yeah, Apple doesn't trade. It just doesn't trade. Baba, 177.65, I like short. Yes. No, Apple is not good for day trading anything. Not anymore. Walmart, I would try 150.50 if anything, guys. Yeah, you can do 150.75 and 150.50. I like that both. In Walmart, small. Roblex. 82.48 pivot and short, all over that. It's not going to happen. But yes, I would love that. Neo. Neo's bouncing a little bit. Again, better buy than sell. Where would I sell a put in AMD? For this week, Matt? I don't know. If you get any premium on 105, I would definitely do that. Maybe 106, right? Yeah, I don't know what kind of premium you're going to get on that, but it definitely looks like a better buy than sell now. 100%. Still in PayPal. Yeah, if PayPal gets above here, it could be okay. I like it. BB. Again, BB is another one of them that if you like BlackBerry, you buy it and you put it away and you forget that you have it. Yeah, I saw UPST, got close, didn't quite get there. Didn't quite get to that 209 and change. We're going to have an whole option series when we do our boot camp, Matt. Globe, I don't know how this thing trades, but the trend is 76.11. Let me see what it looks like. Let's see. little spready in Globe, but we got to like 76.11, right? I like that. I mean, Globe has like a 50-cent spread. I'm not crazy about it. Let me show you guys. It's got an 80-cent spread, Globe. Look at that. 77.01, 77.82. I cannot do that, guys. Dotted lines are pivot points. Pivot points, Aaron. Dotted lines are pivot points. We use them like we would a regular moving average if we don't have one there. Peloton. Yeah, I wouldn't do a double top in Peloton either. It looks real good, Sharon. I mean, how low did we go? Technically, it fits. 111.89. Yeah. And then you got 112.08 for a pivot point. So technically, it fits. Excellent, Kent. See you tomorrow. Nice job. So technically, Peloton fits for a double top. Yeah, I don't like the GLBE. It's too spready. Not for me. Not for me. Moderna's just consolidating and resting now. SE. All right, Brian, what price are you looking at to start looking? And how's the spread in that thing? Is it all right? $0.50 in GLB off the 9. GLBE. All right. Just be careful with that one, Matan. I'm seeing it's got a giant spread. You know? Be careful. Trading View, I don't know how you get this chart set up, CR. I can give you everything that we use, technically. And then you can see if you can put that into your charts. That I can do. Yeah, Sono just blasted through everything looking good. Well, not so much a VWAP reversal. Look at it hit our pivot point down here, Joe. It exactly hit our pivot point at 38.24. Look at that support level. Right there, Joe. Boom. 38.24. So that was technically, it hit a nice level for us on the buy side off one of our pivot points. Home Depot. 317 could be okay in Home Depot. Yes. Yes, yes. Facebook looks like nothing for a trade, guys. It's sideways. It's not doing anything. SQ just went green and blasted through all levels. All right, guys. Excuse me. I think we got to be a little patient now because things aren't really holding the levels, and I'm not sure where we're going from here. Thank you, Sebastian. I think that came out this morning. Palantir, again, I like Palantir long term. Not usually good for a day trade, Palantir. Micron, again, better buy than sell on a pullback, 100%. We missed Walmart by 6 cents. Yeah, look at that. 150.50 would have been the spot, right, for a little trade anyway. Yes, 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 yes. So, guys, I just want to mention how important Benzinga is to our trading. I know they give you guys a free 2-week trial on Benzinga. They are the best, guys. Best news service, best for doing scans and stuff. So everybody who's listening to us, go get yourself a 2-week free trial. They are the man at Benzinga. AMC. Yeah, again, AMC is just a better buy, guys. I like the 40 calls. They were like $1.40. A little expensive, but I think it can get there this week. I don't know. Do you want to buy Myrna on a trend now? 394.60 and then 390.20. 390.20 would be down $10. I think we kind of got to try that. Well, you like it all the way down here at 386? Yeah, that ain't going to happen, Joe. I mean, it could, but I don't think it's going to happen. What has a $4 spread? Matan. Chewy. Yeah, I know. So you got to do it either very, very small at 394.60 with $1 stop, or you go down to the 390. You know, we know the stock is very strong, so you know what? Let's go with our methods, okay? I'm buying 20 shares at 394.60 if we get there. Exactly. That's the level. 394.60. I'll risk $20 on it, $1, and then we'll go back at 391. That's it. Not going to not make the trade. Right. So we do it small here. We have our stop. We get back in if it breaks down. Meme stops are ricking. That means the algos are back. Yep. Again, I like AMC. I'd like to buy a little bit if we can get a pullback. Let's make AMC 37.30 and put out a full order in AMC. 37.30. 37.30. Good. And VAX hit the 9? Yep. All right. Well, we never even looked at it. I don't think Moderna's hitting the 9 either. Yeah, Tesla's been kind of blah lately. Do we add if it works in what stop? Oh, do you mean the $4 spread in Moderna between? No, we never add. No, we try the 9, very small. If it hits us and goes up, we don't sell it. And we have a stop because there's a $6 gap in between. So we do not do both when there's a $5 gap. 500 people watching, 107 likes. All right, here comes my neighbor with the drilling. If the difference is less than 50 cents, we do both. That is correct. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. That's the law. That is the law. Chipping hammers. What's a chipping hammer? I don't know what a chipping hammer. Oh, the guy behind me. I know. Well, that's what we do, Matan. We try to 9, get stopped out, and go into 15. Now, you won't get stopped out again. I don't think so. I mean, I like Moderna if we get to 390.20. I think that's a good trade. I don't think we're getting to either of them. How about that? So, cancel that. It's not happening. David Green, thanks, man. You help so much. You're more than welcome, my friend. You are more than welcome. Yeah, Netflix looks really good on the buy side. Really, really good. Up to 523. We will look at lunch, but then it won't look good and we will balk. Yeah, we'll see, Matan. What are the red and purple dots on your charts? Those are pivot points. Pivot points. We use a pivot point like we would a regular moving average when we have none. So if we look at Netflix, I got nothing on the upside till my pivot point of 523. That is resistance. I will short the stock if it gets to 523. All right. Yeah, unfortunately for now, our trading room is closed. We are at capacity. Moderna coming in. All right. All right. Again, it's 395 is the level now. And we didn't quite get there. So you could be long a little at 395 with $1 stop. But again, I didn't like it now. But let's put out 390.80. That I am buying. That is the trend. But keep in mind, guys, right? Aren't we losing a little volume now? Right? I am putting out 390.80 with a full amount of shares with $1.50 stop. Being colorblind sucks. Yeah. That's difficult. AMC. I like the 37.30 in AMC. All right, 37.45. Let's raise it up a little bit. Good. 37.43 AMC. The one thing you guys can do at my Benzinga is buy our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy. That you can do, and you'll see me every Thursday night for a mentorship. That's wallstreetglobaltradingacademy.com. Anyone who purchases the course, I will definitely include a 5-day free trial in the room. You got Moderna at 394.80. All right, again, keep it tight. See what happens here. Anyone who's interested in visiting our room, I do it on an individual basis now. So if you send an email to me at dgreen927@yahoo.com, when I have room, I will let you guys come in for a trial. So happy just posted if anyone wants to purchase the course. That is Wall Street Global Trading Academy. It comes with continued mentorship every Thursday night. And Hap, if you can just pop up my email, thank you so much. So anyone who's interested in coming out and hanging out with 5 days with us, send me an email. I'll let you know when we have room, and you can come hang out for 5 days with us. And last but not least, guys, do not forget Benzinga. Let's pop up the link for Benzinga. Also happy. You guys know you get 2 free weeks with Benzinga. To get a trial, silly if you don't do it. We're only 14 people away from freeing up a new slot in the room. 2-week free trial with Benzinga, guys and girls. Get all over that. Half the people in my room have Benzinga Pro. We could not trade without it. It is spectacular. I don't have anything to do with the Benzinga school. No, that is something that they're doing. I just come on to, I don't know what I come on for. I come on to be with all you guys. It's just 2 separate entities. That's all. 499, 14, 475. Yeah, sign up for that Benzinga Pro, the Benzinga free trial, guys. It is great. We use it for all of our scanning. We use it for, I mean, they have the greatest scans in the world. And the new service is second to none. Yeah, these things are all starting to come in a little bit now. Right? So what do we want to do? You want to buy these trends? NVAX long at 229. I got 228.20. I like that. We're seeing if Moderna can come in another $1.50 here to the trend. Just so long. Do it fast, Moderna. Don't you dare go up. You know it's going to bounce right from here, guys, right? All right, we'll see. Come on. Moderna, we got a fib at 391. I like that too, Ken. Well, same thing. We're good if we can get the smack down there. Right? Any advice on ME? It's another little cheap one. If you like it, just hold on. Right? Trying to get above the daily level. I don't think ME is so bad. It looks okay. Again, not for a trade, but it looks all right. SAVA. Yeah, what do we like SAVA, guy? To that 106.75? That we like, right, Ken? Yeah, we're not getting Moderna, guys. We are not getting Moderna, Bo Burner. SAVA 109.60, holding 109.5 order. To buy SAVA? I'm not crazy about double bottom now in SAVA. Maybe if it goes fast. Benzinga are the best, and DG here on their channel What more do you need? I'm with you guys. Benzinga is the best. And we're here trying to help people. That's all. You want to learn all the trading techniques and everything. It's all about purchase the course and come with me on every Thursday night and we'll teach you. Got myself into trouble in Moderna, 365, 396, and broke even down here at 392. What the hell's wrong with you, Nesta? Oh, I knew there was a reason you were so quiet. Oh, okay, Bruin. Are you going to swing this one a little bit at those levels? Ooh, Moderna's coming in now, guys. What are we going to do? How about we go to the pivot point in Moderna, right? 390? Let's do that. Very small Moderna, 390 pivot point. SAVA can be an account killer. No question about it. I love the VWAP, but let's see if we can get 390 first. Again, the second we just started, hit my goal cheating on Moderna. Now, thank you, DB. Have an excellent day. That's it for Moderna. It would have been good if we got there. Didn't get there. SAVA is an account killer. It can be. It can be. This thing's wackadoodle. That's why I did not like the double bottom. It's going a little slow. Again, 109 is a spot. But, you know, we get to 106.80. I'm all over SAVA for a trade. Look at Moderna, guys. Right? Ooh, we're in AMC. Yeah, look at that. Okay. That was a nice pullback in AMC. All right, we're in a little AMC on the trend. Let's see what happens. Where we get in? 37.45 in AMC? Yes, it's almost lunch. Oh, it's not almost lunch, but it's almost break time. So Moderna, I will give 30 cents stop. You're in at SAVA at 109.05. All right. All right. Again, I'm not crazy about SAVA now. What's the market doing here, guys and girls? Are we coming in a little bit? We use our moving averages, Alalama, pivot points, whole bunch of different stuff. We're coming in a lot. Really? Let's look. Not really. All right. Going to sell 25 shares of AMC at 55, guys. 37.55. Just trying to make a little profit here. Yeah, spiders are coming in a tiny bit, but not much. The dots are pivot points. The dots are pivot points. We use them like we would a regular moving average. Yeah, I mean, SAVA, let's get it out, guys. 106.80. That's what we like. Everybody sell a little AMC at 55 just for a little trade. Good. Let's put a little out at 37.63. We'll try to just get some lunch money in this thing. 37.63. $37.81. All right, we're getting a little lunch money. A little more, 37.81 if we get the AMC. Oh, Aaron's back in town.
Yes, sir. How we doing?
Time goes fast when you're having fun.
A lot of fun. It seems like today the market's been a little wonky, though.
Yeah, it has been. But still a lot of great trade setup. I just screwed up something early this morning when I did a lot more shares than I should have. But all the trades have worked pretty well. I have only one thing to say to my Benzinga peeps today. Benzinga.com. Go check it out. Okay? Anyone send me an email. I'm trying to get the fourth red bar. Ooh, hold on. All right, 106.80 SAVA, guys. Put it out to buy. I'm sorry, Aaron. Go ahead. Take her away. I know we got to get out of here.
No problem. Yep, we're going over to SPAX Attack. Got a big show. Sorry for all y'all that are having fun watching David Green, but our time has come to an end today.
We'll be back tomorrow from 10:30 to 11.
Yes, sir, we will be at 10:30 tomorrow morning. Yeah, David, sometimes it goes, sometimes it doesn't. That's just the way the road goes, you know.
Exactly. We'll see everybody bright and early in the morning.
Beautiful. All right, stick around, Zinger Nation. SPAX Attack starting up now with Mitch and Chris.